Hello there, it's me again. And after unboxing and reviewing the Ipod Touch, what do you think comes next? Well, you got it. You got a case, And it's a Belkin leather case. This is for Ipod Touch. It's nice and leathery. There you go if you can't read English. Anyway, carry on. Let's hope this thing is a doddle to open. No, it isn't. So, in these extreme cases, put in the middle. It's not very professional, but don't tell anyone. Okay. Ta-da! Look at all that packaging. What a waste. What a waste of packaging. Here's the case itself. Nice little Velcro strap. And you get a free Ipod. Hey! No, you don't get a free Ipod. That's just the cardboard insert that says Ipod on it. Actually, it is the same size. Should compare them, shouldn't we really? Anyway, took that to one side. Got the Ipod. Got the case. Slip in there. Looks quite nice. Looks like it's made for the... Oh, look at that. Lovely, lovely. I can still use everything in there. Looks like it protects it rather quite well. Floor, can't see the camera that well. Think we have to test that out. Oh, I'm not the other way around. Outside. Didn't see that, okay. Open the camera. Bang. Can you see anything in it? If you look there, you can actually have put scissors and shot. You can see. There's a bit of black on the right corner there, but nobody cares about that. The interesting button there. Rubbery button. Anyway, but that's the review, that's the next video. So that's the unboxing of the Belkin leather case. Thanks for watching. And here's your free Ipod Touch. Come to get ya.